Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to add another Roku device to my account. Let's go. Open Roku app. Account. Devices. All the devices that are linked to your account will be here. How to link a device to an account. Open Settings. System. Advanced System Settings. Factory reset and code. This way you will log out of your old account. After the reset, you will need to log into your Roku account on this device. That's it. Now you know how to add another Roku device to my account. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.